In a library scenario, modeling a one-to-many relationship with a global secondary index, GSI, in Amazon DynamoDB can efficiently support querying books by attributes of the author across multiple partitions. Let's consider modeling the relationship between authors and their books using a global secondary index. Entities. Author represents an author who has written one or more books. Book represents the book written by an author. Modeling the one-to-many relationship with a global secondary index. Primary table, books. Partition key, PK author ID. Sort key, SK book ID. Attributes, title, ISBN, genre, publication year, etc. Global secondary index, GSI by author name. Partition key, PK author name. Sort key, SK book ID. Use case. Each book is stored in the books table with author ID as the partition key and book ID as the sort key. A global secondary index, GSI, is created on author name to allow querying books by author name efficiently across multiple partitions. Querying books by author name. To query books by author name, we utilize the global secondary index, GSI, on author name in the books table. We can perform a query operation on the GSI, specifying the author name as the partition key to retrieve all books written by a specific author. Example queries. Query books by author name. Plain text. Copy code. Query GSI by author name. Partition key, author name, equals John Doe. Benefits. Scalability. Global secondary indexes support querying across multiple partitions, allowing efficient access to books by author name irrespective of the partition distribution. Flexibility. GSI enables querying books by author name, providing flexibility in accessing data based on different attributes. Reduced latency. GSI allows for low latency queries on attributes other than the primary key, improving query performance. Considerations. Provision capacity. Ensure that the global secondary index is provisioned with sufficient read capacity to handle query traffic efficiently. Cost. Evaluate the cost implications of using a global secondary index, considering factors like provision throughput, storage costs, and usage patterns. Data consistency. GSI might experience eventual consistency, where query results may not reflect the most recent writes to the table immediately. By modeling the one-to-many relationship with a global secondary index, we can efficiently query books by author name in a library scenario, providing scalability, flexibility, and improved query performance.